Today I will share with you top 5 best impact wrenches of 2024. So, let's start. Subscribe my channel. Number 1. Torque Brushless Electric Impact Wrench. The ONEVAN 588VF electric impact wrench packs a powerful punch with its 1800 Nm torque, making it an essential tool for any project. Featuring a brushless motor for efficiency and durability, this half-inch wrench is designed for use with Makita 18V batteries. The included 22,900 mAh lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, experience the convenience of a reliable and high-torque impact wrench with the ONEVAN 588VF. Number 2. ONEVAN 3100 Nm Brushless Electric Wrench. Unleash unparalleled power with the ONEVAN 3100 Nm Brushless Electric Wrench. This 3/4-inch cordless impact wrench is a formidable handheld power tool, delivering a staggering 3100 Nm of torque for heavy-duty applications. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it ensures cordless convenience. The brushless motor guarantees efficiency and longevity, while the 588VF battery provides sustained performance. Whether tackling automotive repairs or construction projects. Number 3. High-torque electric impact wrench half-inch. Experience the formidable strength of the Kamolee 1800 N.M high-torque electric impact wrench, model DTW700. This half-inch powerhouse redefines performance with its impressive 1800 N.M torque, making it an ideal choice for a range of applications. The package includes one high-capacity battery for uninterrupted operation. Whether you're working on automotive repairs or construction projects, the Kamolee DTW700 ensures precision and efficiency. Number 4. Brushless Electric Impact Wrench half-inch. Unleash the power of the 1800 N.M Torque Brushless Electric Impact Wrench, a half-inch cordless powerhouse designed for use with Makita 18V batteries. Boasting a brushless motor for enhanced efficiency and durability, this impact wrench delivers unparalleled torque for a variety of applications. The lithium-ion battery ensures cordless freedom and extended runtime. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this high-torque electric wrench from Makita is a reliable. Number 5. Kamolee 1800 N.M Electric Impact Wrench. Experience unmatched power with the Kamolee 1800 N.M DTW700 Electric Impact Wrench. Boasting super torque capabilities, this half-inch powerhouse is designed for optimal performance, perfectly compatible with 18V Makita batteries. Tackle any task with confidence, from automotive repairs to construction projects. The DTW700 ensures precision and efficiency with its high torque output. Elevate your toolkit with this reliable and versatile electric impact wrench, providing the super torque needed to effortlessly handle even the toughest jobs. Thanks for watching.